Hey, welcome back to Doc's Boost. Today we're going to put a new gear shift knob on the GT500. The car came with a white gear shift on a black car. It was okay, but not quite exactly what I was looking for. So this guy is going on. I just got this from Shelby. So you also have to make sure that you get the adapter when you buy the gear shift knob. Getting the old one off isn't that easy, but it's not that tough either. Looked online and people were using heat and all kinds of stuff going on there, so I just decided to find out what I had laying around the house to help me get the job done. And here's one of those exercise rubber bands. So I'm just wrapping this thing around the gear shift knob for grip. And to protect it as best I can. I don't know if I'll ever use the old one again or not. Grab it with a pair of channel locks, and it just seemed to start spinning. It's not the easiest thing in the world, and it never really got loose all the way out because of, I guess, the Loctite that they use. But it should work. It's pretty long-winded. There we go. Got it spinning right off. So that didn't take long. It was like 3 minutes or 4 minutes, something like that. And this is what it's going to look like once it's off. Okay? So the whole thing comes off one piece, if that's what you were wondering. I saw a few questions out there like that, so I decided to make sure that you've seen how it does come off. The new gear shift comes with a package of adapters. Without the adapter, this space right here will let the boot slide up and down, and you really don't want that to happen. And this part, this end of it has threads, this side doesn't, so it'll slide down there and you just screw it down. The boot is not moving around on me. Not that one. That one feels like that's the one. Okay, so we got the two fittings that we need. These are the ones that we need for my particular installation. Well, let's try it without the jam nut first. We'll see how it looks without it. We can get it tightened in the right spot. Here, I don't think we can go all the way around the one. Maybe we can. There you go. That's pretty darn tight. I'm not going to use a wrench to tighten it up. So there you have it. It's bigger. It's actually bigger. Feels your hand a little more. I like it. It's feeling real good. So there you have it. The GT500 black gear shift knob is in place. Don, the only thing left to do is go out and test drive it. Yeah, you guessed it. Let's do a burnout. So I just got back from doing burnout, and I'm telling you, the gear shift works great. So if you haven't subscribed to Doc's Boost, go ahead, take care of that right now. And leave some comments down below about the gear shift knob that you selected and what it took for you to get it on and off. Get out there, have some fun, all right? But make sure that you stay safe and always buckle up. And hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.